Decision, blue corner. About number 2, the winner by unanimous decision, red corner. Official result about number 3, the winner by unanimous decision, red corner. In the third round due to injury, red corner. Red corner. Number 5, the winner by a split decision, red corner. Bout number 8, the winner by a split decision, blue corner. Unanimous decision, red corner. Okay, official result of this bout, the winner by a split decision, red corner. Decision, red corner. Congratulations. Split decision, blue corner. Blue corner. The winner by a split decision, red corner. Number 13, the winner by unanimous decision, red corner. 14, the winner by unanimous decision, red corner. Number 15, the winner by a split decision, red corner. Ladies and gentlemen, sinong nagdao para sa inyo? Okay. Daw kinanglan kini may rebat sila. Kay it's a draw. Patas mga naka-recover ang blow so panagbawi. So patas on points. Blue corner. By unanimous decision, blue corner. Points. Red corner. Congratulations. It's a draw. Lagi pilihan natin mga judges kaya tiba.